really to show us tomorrow as a people, and we need more experience, and we will do, and we have respect about Kaya, we know Kaya, and they will do also his best, and he will be strong tomorrow. So we cannot go like, okay, we will see like tomorrow how we can play like friendly. No. This is the last game, and really we have to work serious, and we have to prepare serious also.
quyết tâm muốn giành chiến thắng cho trận đấu ngày mai, dành tặng cho các khán giả của này thì bọn em cảm thấy ra sự thoải mái thi đấu đánh giá các cầu thủ thi đấu tại đây thì
This competition will be the first time here, and we play the big games. We can see that our group is really tough with Ulsan and with Atumi, and you will see both teams they will go up. For me, clear, and we expect from our team how we can improve, how we can receive everything game by game. And this is important thing, special also for the youth team. For example, Lin, the young player, we play all the games. So we can say it's a good performance, we have a good progress in our team. It's not only one, we have 2-3 more young players. So this is our target, to think about the youth future, for the youth future also. And this tournament here with this opponent is really exactly for us to improve, and we have to learn about this matter. You win, you lose, okay, it's no problem at this moment. And we cannot expect to come here and say, okay, we go up the next step. So we know our level, reality, we know our opponent, and then we come here, we try our best. Of course, we have to do for the next step more details, but this will come in Vietnam, in Hanoi, in our city for the training camp. The coaches will sit together, and then we have to discuss, and we talk also finally for quality. So, and this is the most important thing we know, and we received a lot of things to do for future. And I'll be sure we can do